make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 easy low messy buns that you can create in minutes. Some of them looks not messy and so classy, so I'll recommend to all of you to watch this video till the end. So we'll begin with our first one. We'll select our top crown section and we want to tie with it a ponytail. Then you want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring the tail through this opening. Then you want to grab the rest of your hair, incorporating your topsy tail as well, and you want to make a low ponytail with that. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, then wrap remaining ends around it. If your hair is longer, you want to wrap it several times. Pull a little bit your bun to make it fuller and voluminous, and it's done. For our second hairstyle, we want to select again our top crown section like we did before, and we want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through it like that. Now remaining hair, incorporating our topsy tail as well, we want to divide into 2 and make 2 ponytails with that. But on last time, make sure to just twist a little bit your ponytail and then tie your ponytail halfway through like I'm showing, and repeat on other side. Make sure to hide the ends by wrapping them around your elastic and tuck into the elastic underneath. Now grabbing these 2 twisted half ponytails, we want to bring one through each other, creating kind of infinity sign, and you want to pin it in place, creating our bun. And we're done. For our third hairstyle, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. And then you want to tie with them 2 ponytails. On last time, again make sure to pull your hair halfway through like that. Now you want to wrap the remaining hair around the elastic and tuck her into the elastic underneath like I'm showing, and repeat on other side as well. Now you want to grab one of these half ponytail and bring it through another one, but halfly like I'm showing, leaving the middle out, pinning the sides in place. I hope that you understand what I mean. Make sure to use good bobby pins. Then you want to grab these 2 middle sections. Make sure they are hiding each other like so it looks like one bun. For our last hairstyle, we want to divide again all our hair into 2 equal sections, tie with them 2 ponytails and make 2 topsy tails with this ponytail. Basically you make 2 openings through each of these ponytails and bring the ponytails through these openings like that. Now brushing your ponytails, you want to tie them both together like at the middle of the ponytail like I'm showing. Make sure to pull your hair halfway through when tying the ends, wrap it and pin it in place from the sides using good bobby pins like that. Now you want to pull a little bit your created bun and pin it from the sides. Make sure to loosen your top crown section so there are no parting or scalp showing, and you're done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's messy buns. If you do, please don't forget to like it. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. And also, you may know that I have a lot of them on my Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, guys. And you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah!